Hi, welcome back. In this week, we are going to build AI agent automations. So these agents will be powered by an AI models. And then we will try to build one specific use case to help us, increase our productivity with regard to, applying for jobs, or even as that's an example. And then you can go on from there to build your own. So the best use case for an AI, especially in these type of things, is automating, repetitive tasks. They are very, very good at that. So we are going to see to demonstrate this, we are going to see a service called Linda. They have a free tier that you can try, around 400 points per month. So it's a very good way to get started, and you see how you can apply these agents to build this very, very cool service. By the way, you can also build your own type of these agents and automations, as we discussed in previous projects. But for now, let's get started. So the first thing first, sign up for a free account. To create an account, first click on sign up for free, and you'll be taken to this page. So enter your name, email address, and then your password. When you are done, you can just click sign up. Then you'll be taken to this page. Just fill out some random information that you want. And finally, when you are at this page, just close this tab. You don't need to provide your credit card or anything. Just close it and then try to log in again by visiting lindaai.com. And then you have it. You have just logged in. You'll be given 400 credits. Enjoy. So once you have reached here, you will be greeted with this page. So this page contains a lot of pre-built agents that you can use. For instance, a meeting note taker, a meeting scheduler, email responder. This AI can send an email as you to respond to a certain type of emails. There are quite a lot of pre-built templates that you can try out. So let's build our own. I already built one sample project here, but we will do it from scratch. But before this, what we are going to automate is, consider that you are applying for a number of jobs, and for these jobs, one way to go about it would be to prepare one template cover letter, one CV, and then you send out to the hiring managers whenever you see an announcement. But a smarter way to go about it would be to craft a specific cover letter and a specific CV for that type of job. So this can take quite a lot of time to do, and it becomes a bit of frustrating. So why not just automate that? So consider you have a Google form. When you see a job posting, you fill out this Google form. The Google form is for you. So like at the position, the company, the description, and the requirement, and you submit it. Once you submit it, that Google form will update a sheet, and then once that sheet gets updated, Lindy, the AI agent we are going to build, will pick that up, create a cover letter for you based on the job specification, update your CV based on the requirements, and then craft a nice email for you that you can send out to the hiring manager, and sends you the email so that you can see and then send it to the hiring manager. So this is very cool way of using this agent. So let's build this. First things first, go to Google Forms, sign in with your account, and create a simple form. So for instance, this is the job board form I created. We can create a new one. Just click on blank form and give it a name, like a company name. Company name, position, that's description, and finally requirements. So this is the form that you will submit. So the requirements would be a paragraph type, description is paragraph, position is short answer, and this one is short answer. Once you fill this out, go to responses and then click link to sheets. This will create a new sheet for you, or you can select an existing sheet if you don't have, but just create a new sheet and give it a name like a job board responses, something like this. And once it is linked, Google Sheets will open it like this. So this would be your Google Sheet form. And don't forget to give this a name, job board, because I think I have one. So I will just call it 02. And that's it. You have your form. So what you need is the link to this sheet. So you can copy this and then save it somewhere, or we can come back again and then grab this link. So for me, I created this. This was what I was testing on. So we will use this link when we test out Lindy. But all in all, the step is the same. So once you have this, that's it. Next is create your CV. So this is a fictitious person, Emmanuel, that I created with all the details and just roughly a simple CV, like objective is technical skills, professional experience, education, and the projects he worked on, like the certificate, language, and whatnot. So this we will also need to share it to Lindy so we can copy this link. So these are the two things that you need. So now come back to Lindy. Click on add new, then automation. Then click on trigger. Here, what triggers would be an update of a Google Sheet. So because once you fill this form, a new record would be submitted here. So we want Lindy to pick this up and then process it. So I will click on new row added. So when a new row gets added, that's what it means. So now we need the spreadsheet ID. So come back here and copy the link and paste it here. The title, we can leave it, it's fine. Then the next would be, once this is triggered, like a new sheet is added, what to do next. So the next is search a knowledge base. That is your CV. So click on search knowledge base and click on Google Drive, because we are going to add these documents to Lindy. So add files. And then I will search for Emmanuel, I think. Yeah, select it. And this will appear here. So once this is done, click on save, and you're good to go. By the way, if you want to change the model, you can change it here. So you can select any model here. For instance, you can select GPT-4o. For the query, it's fine because it can just search, this knowledge base by itself. But you can provide like what to search for in this knowledge base. So you can like specify, for instance, this is your CV, and you want it to search for like the requirements as per the above triggered row. The next thing to do would be to create the cover letter. So click on add action and then Google Docs and create a document. So let's select a folder, job applications folder. And then for the title, click on prompt AI and then type the title of the document would be cover letter for company name, then position. And for the content, I'll just put a prompt saying, right, in, mentioned in the new row, right? So click on here, the new row added, and click on row. And that's it. So this will create your cover letter. The next thing would be, so once we have the cover letter, we want to write our CV. So click on perform action, Google Docs, create a document, select the folder, the same, the same thing, and then prompt AI. So here I will write CV for company name and position. And for the content, I'll prompt it to write, or I can say update my CV based on the in. As before, I'll click on this and then click on draw. That's it. So by now, the AI has created a cover letter for us, and then also has updated the CV for us. So this will save the Google Docs document in this folder. And then finally, we want it to send us an email. So click on this and then click on Gmail and add send an email. Yeah, send an email here. So for the send an email, we want it to send us whatever it's generated, right? Again, you can select a model by the way here. You can select a balanced GPT-4 or even GPT-4 mini would work. So this is to me, so I will set it to manually add an item. So I want it to send to here. And the subject would be set manually for position and okay. And I want the body to let me click on prompt. The body to be write a draft email to a in, and then I can click on row, which is mentioned here. So class include the below links. So one, I want the cover letter. Here I can click on the URL and then CV. Here I can click on the URL. That's it. Include link signature. You can turn it on, turn it off. It's fine. And that's it. It's as easy as that. And let's click on save. So let's first give it a name. Job. I'm not sure if I name this. Maybe I can do that. And click on save. Okay, now it's done. So go back using this arrow. It's saved, right? Now go back using this arrow to your agents. And if you can see, there is nothing submitted, so there won't be any action here. So now let's submit. Let's say we saw a job application and we want to submit it. So let me go back to the form. So this is the form that we are supposed to fill, and then it will directly, submit, update this Google Sheets response. Okay, let me open the form in a new window as a user. Okay, here is a sample submission. So for instance, the company name, the position, description, and then the requirements. So this is what I got from, say, a website. So once I have this, I will just click on submit. So now the agent should go to work. So back on the agents, give it a couple of minutes, and then a new task will appear here. Okay, as you can see, we just received the action. So it detected that the Google Sheet was changed. It created a new document. You can see, by the way, the content. So dear hiring manager, yeah. It is now, creating, updating the CV. Yeah. And then finally, we will receive an email. Yeah, done. Awesome. So an email was sent to me like this. So yeah, and with the link, let's check my email. So here is the email that we just received from Lindy. So this would be like a draft email that you modify and then send to the hiring manager. So I'm writing to express it. So this is a customized email. Imagine like if you're applying 30, 40 positions, you can do this, every time a unique email. It's pretty awesome. So, and also the links to the cover letter in the CV are attached. So if you click this, you'll be able to see what Lindy has wrote as a cover letter. So that's it. As you can see, this is pretty amazing. Automating this stuff is very, very, very nice. So I can't wait to see what you guys would come up, these automations, what you would automate stuff. So until next time, bye.